Alright, went out detecting today for a while this morning, and it was pretty nice, a little bit windy. And this is what I found. I forgot, left my camera home. I was charging it and walked right out the door without it. It's usual trash, piece of steel, copper end, slaw, a primer off shotgun shell, copper tube. Did find this buckle. Looks like an end of a strap or something. Had a nice little round piece on the end, so I kept it. Stinking Lincoln. Real modern bullet. Hollow point. That's pretty cool. And I found 4 buttons. This one's got a little design onto it. See if I can get down on it a little bit. A little design in there. Can't tell exactly what it is. I'll get my magnifying glass after it and see if I can get something better. And this little one. Add some little flowers or something on their clovers. And this one, like a wreath around a little spider or something in the middle. Not bad. And my best one, I was real happy with this one. Like a couple of unicorns or something. A unicorn there, it looks like. Can't tell up there. Yeah, maybe modern. Maybe, I don't know. Says something, I can't make it out. It says something, but my sight is getting bad. I can't tell what it says. Maybe somebody else can tell me. I don't know. I'm thinking maybe modern. I don't know. But if anybody's got an idea on that one, let me know. And thanks for watching.